Hello there, modern man. I'm Dr. Truong. I've treated over 7,000 men with ED. This is the single most frustrating moment in the bedroom. You start strong, but halfway through, it fades. If you're losing your erection during sex, you are not broken, and it may not even be your age. Research shows that half of men experience this. It's often caused by something called venous leak. Basically, the blood is leaving the manhood faster than it's arriving. So today, we're fixing the leak with 8 specific changes. Take some notes, and 3 of them may work tonight for you, but some of them may take some time. Let's start right now with the right now fixes and easy wins. Number 1, the alcohol trap. Mistake number 1 is the liquid courage. You think a few drinks may relax you, but alcohol is a nerve depressant. So it kind of numb your nerve. So it disrupts the signal between your brain and your body and your manhood. So 1 drink is fine, 2 to 3 drinks, it may affect that. So on date night, maybe 1 drink and moderate the alcohol, okay? So keep that in mind. Number 2, the disconnection error is that it is stopping stimulation. Meaning, once penetration starts, many men stop the manual stimulation or stop mentally engaging in the mental stimulation. Maybe you're distracted and you're thinking about work, you're thinking about what you're doing tomorrow, or you're thinking about the past occurrences that's happened. Your body needs constant input to maintain the stimulation and the blood flow. So the fix is stay present in the moment. If you feel that your erection is fading, pause the penetration and go back to manual stimulation immediately. Tips number 3, the gravity problem or position. Some positions are just not that great when you're older. So if you're over 50 and you're holding a position that is man on top and woman on the bottom, which is called missionary, this drains the blood from where it needs to be to your arms and your legs. And so your heart rate spikes, and then it may steal away the blood from your manhood. So switch to position like spooning, which is side to side, or woman on top, and let gravity do the work for you, not against you. So the next one, number 4, is the mental game. This is the big one. You lose it once, so you worry about it losing again next time. And then the worry releases the stress hormone called adrenaline, which then constricts your blood vessel, which is the last thing you want, right? It's a self-fulfilling prophecy. You think about it and you worry about it, and then you get worse. Fix it. How you fix it is reframe it. So tell your partner that you're kind of working on circulation stuff and you're going through it. So taking the secret out of the room kill the anxiety, but anxiety will kill your erection on the spot. The next one, number 5, is the physical foundation, which is the engine. So the plumbing check, medication. Some medication will actually affect your erection, like blood pressure medicine, especially those that are a group called the beta blockers. And then medications such as antidepressant, like the SSRIs, and antihistamines are notorious for killing erection. But before you stop these medications, talk with your doctor first. Do not stop taking them right away, but just know that they may have some sexual side effects, and that you may want to talk with your doctor about switching to some other medication that will have less side effects as well. Okay, modern man, you are not alone and you don't have to suffer anymore. ED can feel isolating, frustrating, and even defeating. The endless guessing, the quiet shame, the weight of not feeling like yourself. It's exhausting, but here's the truth. You are not broken, you are not alone, and you don't have to figure this out alone anymore. The Get Wood Now Boost program is your step-by-step path to sexual confidence and restoration. No more suffering in silence, no more trial and error, just real solution, real result, and the confidence you deserve. It's time to take back your power on your terms. Let's get this journey started together. Check out the course at getwoodnow.com. I'll see you there. Number 6, the muscle failure or the pelvic muscle. Your erection is held in place by the pelvic muscle, which that go wrap around the base of your penis and is keep the blood in there. So the fix is doing Kegel, which are exercises where you strengthen the muscle, the pelvic muscle. Check out the video right here where I show you how to do Kegel. Those muscles are the same muscle that start and stop your urine stream. Those muscles are the same muscle that actually contract when you have an orgasm. So how do you want to exercise this? Is that you want to hold those muscles for 5 seconds and release for 5, and you want to do it about 20 times, about 2 to 3 times a day. Check out this video and I go through it in more detail, okay? But you can do this while you're driving, you can do this while you're computer or watching TV. Number 7 is the vascular damage, okay? Which is smoking. If you're smoking, you might as well say goodbye to your erection because smoking kills blood vessel, making it impossible to trap the blood in there. The moment you quit, your blood vessel will improve. Combine that with walking 30 minutes 4 times a week, and then add in nitric oxide to that as well. So this is my prostate, but I want you to add the nitric oxide supplement that I recommend. Check it out here in our store at ednomore.com. And together with the nitric oxide, with 30 minutes of exercise and quitting smoking, you're gonna be on your way to healing that blood vessel. And number 8 is chronic management, which is the long game, which is the hardest part, to really control your blood sugar and your blood pressure. High blood sugar destroys nerve, and it also destroys blood flow as well. So you want to control your blood pressure by exercise. And how do you control your blood sugar is to follow the Mediterranean diet. So if you follow the Mediterranean diet, check out the link right here, you will lower your blood pressure. And you really want to aim for a hemoglobin A1C below 7. And you also want to make sure that you are in range for your weight. And even just losing 10% of your weight can massively restore erection for you. Studies have shown that if you exercise 30 minutes 4 times a week, then it will help with your erection. And combine that with the Mediterranean diet, you got double acceleration there, okay? So the action plans, here's your timeline. Tonight, watch the booze, minimize it, be in better position, spooning or woman on top, and have an open communication, kill the anxiety. Tomorrow, start your Kegel exercises and daily walking. And then this week, review medication with your doctor. Just know that you don't have to live with ED, guys. If you fix the leak, the confidence will return. You do not have to suffer in silence, and you are not alone. We are here to help. We want to be a resource for you. There is a solution to ED without medication or surgery. I want you to check out how you can have ED breakthrough by check out the link right here on how we can work together to return your sexual function again and get your life back again. I'll see you in the next episode. Okay, modern men, you are not alone and you don't have to suffer anymore. ED can feel isolating, frustrating, and even defeating. The endless guessing, the quiet shame, the weight of not feeling like yourself is exhausting. But here's the truth. You are not broken. You are not alone. You don't have to figure this out alone anymore. The Get Wood Now Boost program is your step-by-step path to sexual confidence and restoration. No more suffering in silence. No more trial and error. Just real solution, real result, and the confidence you deserve. It's time to take back your power on your terms. Let's get this journey started together. Check out the course at getwoodnow.com. I'll see you there.